Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to get false lashes without having to wear false lashes. And the trick for me is to use two mascaras. So I'm going to use the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. This is my favorite mascara. And it has a different wand than the other mascara. The other mascara I'm using is the TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. You just need two different kinds of wands when you do this. So this one is just a little bit more normal, I would say, and then this one has more of a curve to it and it's fatter. If I can get it open. This is a sample, so it looks a little different, but see, it has a curve and it's a little bit fatter than the other one. So that's how you're gonna get the look. So two different mascaras. You want to clean off your wand, get all that gook off there. Gook. Okay. I'm just going to do one eye to save time. You just obviously put your mascara on how you would normally. Okay, and then for the bottom lashes, take your wand like this and just go like this and kind of pull down. Alright, so that's one coat. So it looks pretty good. We want to be a little bit extra. So then you take your other mascara, clean off that wand, and just go back and do the same thing. See how much better that is? And then you can just kind of take the wand and go on top of your lashes just to get the tips of them dark. Okay. You want to make sure you're not using a wet mascara formula because that can affect it. It'll make your lashes stick together instead of spreading out. And this isn't like if you want your lashes like really individually defined, this is not the thing to do. This is more of like just volume that you want. So you can go back with your original mascara, make sure you clean the wand off. You just kind of spread them back out. And there you go. Obviously you can see one eye has mascara and the other one does not. Alright, so I'm going to do the other mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with both eyes done. So you can clearly see the difference it made to do the two different mascaras with the two different wands. Hi Bella. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, let me know if you're ready for some more, and have a great day.